Slowcast English, Episode 31, The Pleasure of Fishing. Why do many old people prefer early morning seaside fishing? Why?
Every morning when I do morning exercises, I see many elderly people fishing by the sea. I'm really curious. They ride bicycles a long way to get here and stay on the shore at dawn. They may not catch many fish at all. Why do they love it so much? They give up sleeping in, and I just can't figure it out.
It's easy to understand. For them, fishing is never about how many fish they catch. The joy lies in the process, not the fish itself.
They don't fish for food? Then what do they get from getting up so early?
First of all, it's a great way to kill time and relax. After retirement, most seniors have a slower pace of life. The seaside in the early morning has fresh air and a peaceful environment, far away from the noise of the city. While waiting for fish to bite, they can let go of daily worries and calm their minds. It's a perfect way to relieve stress.
So they just enjoy the quiet atmosphere. Don't they mind traveling such a long way by bike?
The trip itself is fun too. Getting up early and cycling with the sea breeze is also a kind of morning exercise. It kills two birds with one stone. Besides, they often meet old fishing friends here. Fishing is also their way of socializing. They chat and share fishing skills, keeping each other company and making life more lively.
Won't they feel upset if they catch nothing the whole day?
Hardly. Fishing teaches people patience. The waiting process is enjoyable in its own right. Even catching a tiny fish can bring them a strong sense of achievement and happiness. It's a simple pleasure that lasts a long time.
I get it now. Fishing combines leisure, exercise, socializing, and fun. No wonder they never get tired of it.
Exactly. It's their little joy in life. It's not about the result, but the experience.
I wish you good luck. See you in the next episode.